Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, are you ready for today's interview, Bill?
Inshallah, I'm ready, sir.
Okay, please tell me about yourself.
So, 30 April 2010 has born a boy named Abdullah Sabil Rashad. So, Sabil is just a normal kid out there. So, right now he is in IDN. So, he is me, Sabil. Before I entered to IDN, I study at a school called Buah Hati SDIT Buah Hati Islamic School. So in there I learn about general lesson like PKN, Indonesian language and others. So yeah, after that I found a good school. Is IDN boarding school Pamijahan Bogor. So I try to register there. So yeah, I get accepted in IDN. So I entered to IDN. So maybe I'm gonna tell you about my childhood. My childhood is like a normal childhood, like other kids out there, but maybe there is something special with me. So after I born, I directly get sick. So yeah, at that time I almost die. Yeah, maybe actually, but alhamdulillah, I'm not passed away. I'm still alive.
Alhamdulillah, you already survived. Okay. And how was your IT skill before joining IDN?
So before joining IDN, I tried to join some extracurricular about IT. Yeah, it's about, so when I entered to IDN, I already understand about Scratch. So yeah, so when I enter, I understand about Scratch. Yeah, so, but not with the other like Buildbox, Google Site, and WordPress and others. So before I enter to IDN, I learned little about Scratch, but not with Buildbox and other. Okay, so that's all, sir.
Okay. Then how would your IT, English, and Dinia, and moreover Tahfiz improve since joining IDN? How?
So maybe for IT, I improve many, like Buildbox. Before I join IDN, I don't understand about Buildbox and then WordPress and others, but alhamdulillah, when I entered to IDN, I understand about all of that. And about English, maybe in my elementary school, we didn't learn about speaking. We just learn about grammar. So I cannot speak English well at that time. But alhamdulillah, when I entered to IDN, I can speak English well, alhamdulillah. And about Dinia, maybe before I entered to IDN, I understand little about the Dinia lesson here. Yeah, so but I still improve little when I join to IDN. And Tahfiz, so in my elementary school, I have memorized 2 juz 2 juice. I mean more than 2 juice, maybe 2.5 juice. So when I entered to IDN, I got 0.5 again. So the total is 3 inshallah. But I'm not sure that all of it is mungkin. Yeah, so maybe that's all.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. And can you tell me about your game? What kind of game that you already created so far?
So maybe I'm gonna start with Scratch. So we made game only in 7th grade. Yeah, so first we learn about Scratch. So when we learn, we made around 8 games. So the first is Catching Fruit. Catching Fruit is a game where we need to catch some fruit and avoid the bug there. So we put a bug. Yeah, you cannot catch it, because if you catch it, we'll get a minus point like that. And then the second is Adapt Tidur game. Yeah, it's about manners before we sleep until after we sleep. So maybe it's not a game, but it's like a slideshow like that it is show us about the manners of sleeping. Yeah, like that. So the next game is Take Me Out. It is the third game. So in Take Me Out, we need to collect I forgot what is that. The main point, we need to collect that things until 20. After that, there's the second stage that we need to answer three question. The next game is Block Breaker. So Block Breaker is a game that we need to break all of the block, yeah, with a ball. This ball, and then there is some board under. We need to control the board for make the ball bouncing, yeah, and then hit the blocks until it's broken. Okay, next is Frog Hop, yeah, Frog Hop. So this game is just a frog that jump into the other lily pad until the end of the game, yeah, like that. Then I modified it into the floor is lava. So it's already 5 games. So the 6th is the Defender. So the Defender is game about it's like action game like that, shooting. So we control a tank that you need to shoot the other tanks. And then there is 3 difficulties there. First is easy, medium, and hard. Yeah. Okay. So next is Ninja Fruit. Yes, Ninja Fruit, that we need to slash all of the fruit except the bomb. And then the last game is Bomber Cat. Maybe it's gonna be my favorite game. So we play as a cat there, that we need to fight 4 crabs with a bomb. So we need to put the bombs around the crabs, then it will explode and kill the crabs. So continue to the next semester is we learned about build box. So in build box we have 5 games. First is 2D games and the rest is 3D games. So for the first is running Dino Google. Yeah, you know Dino Google that run and jump over the cactus. Yeah, we made that game also in Big Box. And then the second is running ball. So running ball, we play as a ball that rolling on the maybe inside the tunnel. That inside the tunnel there is an obstacle, and we need to avoid all of the obstacles inside the tunnel. And then is jumping cube. For jumping cube, maybe it's just like a normal game. We control a cube, and then it will jump on some board, and if we fall, yeah, and maybe that's enough for the game.
Okay.
So yes,
Can you give a real quick words for IDN?
for IDN, maybe I never found some school that like IDN. It's a boarding school with a different curriculums. Yeah, we learn IT here, and I think for the senior high school is different with other senior high school. Yeah. I mean, we learn the material is maybe is for university. Yeah, so yeah, maybe that's all for the words for IDN.
Okay. Thank you. That would be all for today's interview. You may close.
Maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much, sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ready? Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Sabir Rashad, but you can call me Sabir. And in this video, I'm gonna present to you about describing country. So, here is the list of the country. There is Arab, Switzerland, France, Greenland, Italy. So, next. So, the first is Arab. Why do I want to go to Arab? It's because our obligation as a Muslim for do Hajj. Yes, Hajj. So, as you know, there is 5 pillars of Islam. The first is Shahada, and then Salat, yeah, and then we need to do Zakah also, and then we need to fasting, and the last is Hajj. Yeah, so I want to reach that goals. Yeah, just pray for me for do Haji or maybe Umrah. Yeah. Okay, next is Switzerland. Why Switzerland became the second country that I wanted to visit? Because first, Switzerland is this they have the lowest rate crimes. Yeah, even though they produce a lot of gun, but the crime rate is very low. And then in Switzerland, they have 7,000 7,000 lakhs there, or maybe more. And also Yeah, in Switzerland, university also free. Okay, so that's why maybe I want to continue my study in Switzerland. Just pray for me. Amin. So the next is France. Why? I want to visit France. Maybe I wanted to visit France because uh, I just want to do vacation maybe there, and also uh, I will invite my family, inshallah, go to France. Because as you see here, I want to go to Eiffel Tower. Yeah, and also yeah, like that. So next is sorry, Greenland. Yeah. So why I wanted to visit Greenland? Yeah, because I want to enjoy the view there, as you can see here, aurora. Yeah, I want to see aurora there. Yes. And then fun fact, Greenland is covered by snow. Maybe 70% of the land covered by snow. And also there is no toll road, maybe a big ways. It's only a path, a small path like this. Yeah, so it's the one and only country that have no big road like toll road, maybe like that. And also in Greenland there is start from 25 July 25, I forgot the main point. At that time uh, you still can see the sun even though it's night. Yeah, so you need to see the sun, see that things at least one times in your life. Yeah, maybe I don't have any intention for continue my studies here. I just want to I just want to I just want to visit this country as a vacation. Oh yeah, yes, because the view. Then I want to touch snow at least one times in my life. Yeah, just pray for me. I hope I can go to this place. Okay, so maybe that's all for the country. Next, from Greenland to Italy. Yeah, why I want to visit this country? Because uh, as I ever explained to you in my study and plan project, yes, I want to visit Italy because the view. Look at here, as I know, this one is yes, Venice, and I want to visit Rome and other, yeah, and I want to go to Italy because it's just for vacation. It's not the same with Arab that I want to visit because our obligation as a Muslim to visit to do Hajj, yeah, and also I don't want to continue my study here because I don't know why, but I'm not interested with Italy for continue my study. I mean, but for vacation maybe it's a good, is good, is a good country. to visit. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Fun fact: Italy, the the shape of the country is almost same like a shoe. Yeah. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Maybe that's enough. That's what I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semua assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Come on, answer. So, how are you today, guys? Good, right? Okay, I mean. So, today I'm gonna perform about my favorite project. So, here I'm gonna explain to you about the project that I've made. Okay? So, start from 7th grade until 9th grade today. Yeah. Start from scratch until Flutter. Okay. So, next. So, the first is, sorry, little bit ngelag ya. Little bit lagging. So, scratch. So, we have 8 project in scratch. Of course, all of it is a game. So, the first is catching fruit. Next is sleeping manners. And then take me out. After that, block breaker, the defender, ninja fruit. After that, frog hop, and the last is bomber cat. So maybe for me, my favorite project in scratch is ninja fruit, because it's the only one a game that use camera for play it. Actually, we can use mouse also. Okay. So next to the build box. So in build box we still make a game, but in scratch we just make a 2D game. In build box we make a 3D game. Yeah, 3D game. Even though there is the 2D game at the first, and it's the hardest for me, is Dino Google. You know Dino Google? Yes. Yeah, that we made it in build box. Yeah, and it's for me it's the hardest. So build box we have 7 games. Yeah, as I remember. First is Dino Google, running ball, switching ball. I mean 5. Switching ball, jumping cube, and crossing road. Maybe for me is crossing road because it's very good, very good. Okay, so the next is WordPress. Wait, still loading. Just wait until it's done loading. Okay, so ready. So the next is WordPress. So WordPress is a platform that we can make a website, but we need to pay if we want to publish it. Yeah, pay the domain and other. Yeah, and also it's the first semester. So the first semester is we learn about Scratch and WordPress. The second is build. The second semester is build box, and the next there is Google Sites. Yeah, sites. So in WordPress we only made one game. Yeah, it's personal website, and my hosting already done. Yeah, so if already done, we need to pay again. Okay, so maybe yes, it's kind of easy for make the website in WordPress. Yeah, so next is Google site or site. Yeah, site. So maybe Google site is same as WordPress is a platform. We can make uh, we can make a website inside it. Yeah, it's just drag and drop. We can drag the asset, the thing that we want to put inside the website. Just drag it to the frame. Yeah, then we can upload image. So Google site, we learn about Google site in the second semester. Yeah, yes, with Mr. John of course. So yeah, we have two we have two project here in Google site. The first is uh, most Mosque website, and the last is school website. Okay, and it's easy for make the website because it's just drag and drop. So the last is no, I mean not the last. So Google site is the last from 7th grade. So we are going to the next grade is about from 8th grade, first semester. Yeah, it's about Figma. So we learn Figma. Actually, all of us here can use Figma since 7th grade, but we just learn Figma in 8th grade. Yeah, is it right? Yeah. So yeah, in Figma we have 4 multimedia as I know. First is UI, and then there is visual merchandise, and then there is uh, no 5 I think, or maybe more. So first there is UI, visual merchandise, poster, Instagram post, then A4 poster and infographics. Yeah, so maybe for me the best project from Figma is visual merchant. Yeah, because we can we make one design that we can applicate it in mockup. Yeah, so maybe there is the template for uh, clothes, so we can put the design on that clothes, or maybe shirt, or maybe tote bag, we can put it in the tote bag, or yeah, maybe mug, we can put the design in the mug. Yeah, and oh yeah, I make cap hat, topi pin bahasa. So I made the design and then put it in the cap. Yeah, and then I make box also, the packaging. Yeah, maybe that's all for Figma. And the next is IoT. Yeah, so is IoT is about robotic like that. Yeah, IoT is Internet of Things. Yeah, so we make, so the first is walkway. So walkway. So in walkway we made some uh, simulate like simulate like that we can, the component of the robot already there is in the platform in walkway. So yeah, yeah, we can drag the component into the template like that, and then yeah, so yeah, we can put the code also in there. And also microbit, yeah, is we don't need to connect something, it's already from the robot directly. There is the chip, and we just need to put the code. And there's Arduino, we need to connect the all of the component, and not from the walkway. Yeah, it's in real life. Yeah, and then we need to make the code and then put inside the chip and connect the chip to ESP32. And last, Codular is
a platform that we can make an application on it. So the first there is a name card, and then there is a note, and then yeah, so many. The last project of Codular is calculate app. We can calculate a few shape like rectangle, square, yeah, in there. That's why the name is calculate app, not calculator, because in there is calculator and a few shape, yeah. So that is my favorite. And the last is Flutter. So it's gonna be the last project, and it's the hardest for me because we need to type the syntax manually, and it's very hard. Yeah, yeah. I little bit understand about this, and it's gonna be the last. Yeah, it's Bitaqwa. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all you guys listening to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.